Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a particular app that is paying Nigerians, anybody across the world, just for sharing photos or videos of yourself, you know, expressing your thoughts and your opinion, more like creating content, or even using AI. Yes, as simple as generating an AI content, maybe an AI image within just a few seconds. Some AI tools generate these images within few seconds, not even up to 1 minute, and then you get paid for it. After you submit it, you get paid, and it is open to everyone. It's open to everyone. For students between the ages of 16 to 27, and for adults, any adult at all, from age 16 to 45. Yes, you can participate in anything on this app. You can participate in any program on this app, right? So it is universal and it is very, very rewarding, right? So just all you need to do is make sure to get your account verified and get started. And to register on this platform is very strict, so you need to go through an ambassador who has experience on how this works. And I'm an ambassador and I'm going to guide you on how to do it. For you to register, all you need to do is click on the link. If I drop the link in the comments, right, I might leave a link in the comments or in the description of this video. But trust me, this is not just an app where you rush things, right? Because you're going to make mistakes. I'm not saying you're a novice in online business. I know you're an expert just like me. I'm very good at navigating platforms, but hey, I made several mistakes while registering on this platform. So after making several mistakes, deleting my account here and there, I had to go through someone. I had to go to an ambassador and complain to her, and she put me through, guide me, and I followed all the steps she gave. And this is the exact same steps I'm going to share with you in this video. So do well too. This is the exact steps I'm going to share with you. If you send me a message on WhatsApp, just send me a message on WhatsApp. I will leave a link in the description of this video, a link to my WhatsApp. Message me and tell me, maybe if you had an account before and it's showing 00, no reward. Let me show you an example of a valid account. Let me show you an example of a valid account. Let me show you my account, for instance. This is my account and it is verified, right? An example of a valid account is one that shows reward here. This is the reason why my reward is not showing here, is because I'm already an advanced user of the app, right? So the reward is no longer showing, it has disappeared, right? And the evidence that your account is verified is valid is that it shows reward $2 and it shows one follower, one following. That means you went through an ambassador, right? So that is it. You send me a message on WhatsApp via the WhatsApp link I'm going to leave in the description of this video, and tell me if you had an account before. If it is that you had an account before, also let me know. If you are just coming to register and you're indicating an interest in the platform, let me know too. I'm going to fix whatever issues. I don't have the right to fix any issue, right? But I'm going to direct you on what to do to get your account activated and how to make the most of this opportunity for yourself. So that will be it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.